Hello, I'm Jismari Jobi, and in today's video I'm going to teach you about compound nouns and its formation. What is a compound noun? A compound noun is a noun made up of two or more words. Compound nouns often have a meaning that is different or more specific than the two separate words. That means a compound noun contains two or more words that join together to form a single noun. For example, seafood. The word seafood is a compound noun which has a different meaning than the two words sea and food by which it is formed. Let's go through more examples. First, cowboy. Look at the word cowboy. The word cowboy is a compound noun which is the combination of two nouns, namely cow and boy. This is a closed or solid form of a compound noun which simply pushes two words together to form a single word with no additional punctuations or spaces. Second example, checkup. The word checkup is a compound noun which is the combination of a verb, that is check, and a preposition, that is up. This is a hyphenated form of compound noun which connects two or more words with one or more hyphens between them. Third example, Cold War. The word Cold War is a compound noun which is the combination of an adjective, that is cold, and a noun, that is war. This is an open or spaced form of a compound noun which functions as one unique word but is still written as two or more separate words with a space between each component. Thus, compound nouns can be written in three ways: without space, with hyphens, or with space. Different varieties of English and even different writers may use the open, hyphenated or closed form for the same compound noun. It is partly a matter of style. There are no definite rules. For example, we can find the compound noun the container ship in the three different forms. If you are not sure which form to use, please check in a good dictionary. Most compound nouns contain at least one noun. Of course, this is not universally true because in the compound nouns like take off, check in, dry cleaning, etc., you won't find a noun. Now, let's go through the examples in groups that indicate the parts of speech that make up each compound noun. The compound nouns wallpaper and friendship are made up of two nouns. The compound nouns handful and spoonful are made up of a noun and an adjective. The compound nouns passerby and runner-up are made up of a noun and a preposition. The compound nouns snowfall and skydiving are made up of a noun and a verb. The compound nouns blood orange and golden yellow are made up of two adjectives. The compound nouns blackboard and highway are made up of an adjective and a noun. The compound nouns dry cleaning and backstock are made up of an adjective and a verb. The compound nouns swimming pool and breakwater are made up of a verb and a noun. The compound nouns check-in and drawback are made up of a verb and a preposition. The compound nouns father-in-law and commander-in-chief are made up of a noun, a preposition, and a noun. The compound nouns overdose and online are made up of a particle and a noun. The term particle is used for a word which could be either an adverb or a preposition. The compound nouns output and overthrow are made up of a particle and a verb. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Bye.
I'm